Hey, what's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in. What we're going to be doing is swapping out the grill of a 2008 Tundra. And I don't know if you guys know the differences, but this is what the grill looks like now. So we replaced it with the Alpha Rex headlights. If you can see the difference, this kind of has like more of a bull nose look. What we're going to do is we're going to replace it with the 13 grill, which will probably be a little shorter, not as bull nosy, but it'll look a little bit more modern. So if you're looking for a quick upgrade for your 2007 to 2000 and I believe it's 2009 Tundra, this is probably a simple upgrade that you can do to make it look a little more modern. You'll see it pretty soon. Here we go. So what I did was I ended up getting the one that's not painted. So if you can find one that's painted to your body color, good luck. When I tried to look for a black one, they were all out of stock across the country, and my due date kept moving back and back, and I've been waiting 3 months now, so I just ended up getting one that's not painted. They did have a blue one, 2 blue ones I believe in the nation, so you can get the blue one and repaint it if you want to. But if you have an older Tundra and the paint has oxidized a little bit, then it's better off to probably get one that's not painted, so that way it kind of matches the body color of the vehicle. Right away you can tell that this is a little more modern. It also has 2 lines or 2 bars versus the other one has 3. So a little bit more open, and like I said, and this is a little different as well. So we'll pull off the 2 and you can see the 2 next to each other, and then you'll see what this looks like. All right, guys, it was pretty quick if you have electric drill. It took like literally 5 minutes. So you can see the differences. This has 3 lines or bars going across, a little more bull nosy looking pig snout style. And this one has got 2 and just a little more cleaner look. One thing I also forgot to mention is that this grill requires a different set of brackets. So here are the brackets that I also got. You will need these brackets, 53118-0C030. This is 53117-0C03. I'll put all this stuff in the description, but you're gonna need these 2 parts because the brackets that are currently on it stick out a little further and won't fit with this grill. So I just popped open my hood, and what's really crazy is on my transmission radiator, I find a Traveler. Okay, real quick, I just want to show you the difference between the 2 brackets. Some people say you don't need them, but I will show you that. There's a new bracket. You can tell right here the difference already between the 2 of how they shape. One's a little shorter. So you will need these brackets, and there's no way to really modify them. Other than that, I will show you the immediate difference. So that's what I said, the 13 grill can fit right in, a little bit of hardware, brackets, screws, and it's a pretty simple mod to do to get your truck a little bit more modern. And I think it looks better. Looks good, especially with the Alpha Rex headlights. Let me know what you guys think.